Technology is advancing every day and plays an important role contributing to the growth of several industries like logistics, manufacturing, retail sector, etc. Directly or indirectly, it is undeniable fact that we are hugely dependent on technology. We need to call movers personally if we want to shift things in the past, but now everything has changed. All you need to do is go to a service provider platform where you need to provide your details so that movers only will call you back. Technology implementation in sectors like retail, pharmacy, banking, financial services and insurance, etc., is profound and it is quickly evolving. Technology works as security and privacy enabler to protect data and sensitive information, and also acts as a revenue generator. Impact of innovative technologies for startups. Technology has a remarkable impact on businesses and it will remain significant in the years to come. Startups should start implementing the technology to innovate and increase productivity. Below is the innovative technology for startups that already has impact on the business world and how startups should use them to achieve better results. 1. Artificial intelligence technology. AI has the capability to handle and process bulk data and will come up with an actionable insight which is helpful for decision making in an organization. It assists in decision making to improve business operations. AI helps transform the traditional marketing. Business owners can use AI as tool to secure data and map their prospective buyers and optimize their business communication accordingly. 2. Automating robotic process. Planning great ideas is easy but implementing that in today's business world is complicated. If you want to implement the ideas, companies need to put more effort and adapt to new technologies. It's the time where RPA comes into the picture. This technology helps to automate the tasks so that no humans are required to perform the job. For instance, a company has a massive amount of data but don't know how to automate it. Then RPA helps them understand the data mining process and will offer insights for better results. 3. Big data and analytics. Big companies can easily reach their goals by adapting to analytics. While scenario is drastically different for small enterprises or startups. They need to focus on data streams to achieve their goals and to meet their business visions. Big data and analytics are in high demand as it assists in better decision-making, cost reduction methods, and massive economic gains. Startups should use this technology to figure out the opportunities and find out trends, patterns, problems, and strengths. Hence, technology capability and potential benefits are outstanding. But, you need to face some challenges in their businesses, and they should be prepared for the impact. If business leaders think wisely and design strategies to evolve technologically, they will quickly adapt to the emerging advancements and drive better results. How are startups moving beyond conventional tactics? Today, businesses are implementing new technologies into their systems, and the impact it shows is tremendous. But the time it takes to adapt to the latest technology is expediting exponentially. Companies should focus on their potentials by keeping in mind their business objectives in the evolving world and need to act accordingly. They should analyze which technology they should use for acquiring business requirements and for achieving good business results. Conclusion. If you implement these innovative technologies in startups, it brings out an entirely new business model and your business growth will be tremendous. You can also find out the opportunities to improve your business. You can also increase your brand visibility. It can easily reach your target audience with these innovative technologies. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.